Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tome.app on mobile for presentations. Tome.app offers a powerful mobile experience, allowing you to create and deliver stunning presentations from anywhere. Whether you're on an iOS or Android device, your work seamlessly syncs, ensuring you can pick up right where you left off. This flexibility means your creative ideas are always at your fingertips, ready to be shared with your audience. Creating a new tome on your mobile device is straightforward. Simply open the app and tap the Create button. You can then use Tome's AI to generate an outline and initial content by providing a brief text prompt. This feature saves significant time, giving you a strong starting point. Alternatively, select from a wide range of customizable templates to kickstart your presentation with a professional look. Editing your tome on mobile is designed to be intuitive and efficient. You can easily drag and drop elements to arrange text, images, and videos precisely where you want them. Customize your presentation's look by adjusting fonts, colors, and themes with simple taps. Plus, you can embed live content, such as Figma prototypes or YouTube videos, directly into your slides, making your presentations dynamic and interactive. When your tome is ready, presenting and sharing it from your mobile device is effortless. Enter full-screen presentation mode for an immersive experience, perfect for any audience. You can share your presentation with a simple link, allowing anyone to view it on their preferred device without needing the app. Real-time collaboration features also enable team members to provide feedback and edits, streamlining your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.